Hi all. Today, let's create a cute handmade bracelet using simple modeling clay. Here I'm using white modeling clay. It's soft, easy to shape, and perfect for DIY crafts. First, take a small piece of clay and roll it gently into tiny balls. Now shape each ball into a small heart. You can use your fingers or a simple tool to make the heart shape neat. Make several tiny hearts like this. These will become the beads for our bracelet. Once all the hearts are ready, flatten them slightly to give them a smooth finish. Next, add some color to make them more beautiful. Here I'm using a soft pink shade. To give them a cute look, I'm adding tiny red dots as decoration. Now carefully make a small hole in each heart so that we can thread them together. Finally, pass a thread through all the heart beads and arrange them in a circle. And that's it!